What's up, Virtue954 here. So what we're doing today is we're going to go ahead and try the NBA 2K19 My Team mode. It's not a mode that I'm too familiar with, haven't played it before. It was my first day starting it today, and I came to the mode and I just had a whole bunch of packs here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all of these packs and generate my starting lineup for NBA My Team, just to play it and just for fun, because it seems like a different mode to play. Because I play a lot of Park and I play a decent amount of my career, so this will be a fun change for just for every once in a while. So yeah, we're gonna open up these packs to kind of put everyone into our starting lineup, and then maybe even play our first game, or at least do our first challenge maybe. But for now, we definitely are we're gonna open up these packs. Hopefully we get some good stuff. I already saw that we got the LeBron James card, which is what you get for pre-ordering the game early, and then we got the Giannis Antetokounmpo card, which is what you get for just pre-ordering the game in general. So that's not bad. I can't really complain too much about that one. Then we're gonna open up this pack, and like I said, on these packs, a lot of these packs, if it's anything like Madden Ultimate Team, which I've played before, it's probably just like you'll get on the regular packs, you'll just get kind of so-so cards, and then you'll eventually start to get really good cards as you play more, do challenges and whatnot. I know it probably takes a lot of EC to get higher level packs. This one I think I got the Antetokounmpo heat check card, so I'm happy for that. I mean, like I said, eventually once I play, we'll be getting all types of deep cards if you follow the series and subscribe. But yeah, for now that's all it's gonna be. So for the video, I'm just gonna open up all these packs that I have. Like I said, I got 25 to open. This will just be a video of me opening them. You can see what I get. You can see what my starting lineup will be, and then you'll see the team that I'll be running with for the first game or the first challenge that I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll just let the video play out, guys. Thank you.